Welcome everyone to our Lean channel. This is Mark. The previous 3 videos discussed the new product introductions design, production, and process control documentation. This video reviews the rest of our checklist: packaging and shipping, personnel training, supply chain, software, infrastructure, and service documentation. To ensure that our customers receive products intact, we must provide appropriate protection to guard the product from shipping damages during transportation. Packaging procedures and instructions will ensure that this objective is achieved. We also must provide products with appropriate labeling to ensure proper identification. A typical shortcoming of packaging solutions is inadequate protection of products in various shipping environments. For example, if you design a shipping container for tracking, it may not work for sea transportation. We should ensure that delivery solutions are validated for all types of shipping. Next, we must ensure that personnel assigned to production are appropriately trained and qualified for any new product introduction. We need to document the following elements of the training process: necessary qualifications and training requirements, training materials are developed and controlled, training is conducted, and records are maintained. We can create our documentation for design, production, training, etc., as long as we want, but without the components and materials in the inventory, we will hardly produce our products. This is the time to establish and document a supplier management program. This should include a supplier selection and evaluation procedure, evaluation records, supplier agreements, and maybe alternative suppliers. We will discuss supplier management in detail in the following videos. Before starting production, we must ensure that we have a sufficient inventory of parts and materials to support uninterrupted product release. Software is an integral part of today's environment. To support the product realization process, we must establish IT software documentation, contingency plan, data backup procedures, process and production software validation, and product software loading work instructions. We must ensure that the infrastructure needed for product realization is defined and documented. This may include, as applicable, production facility documentation, installation qualification, IQ, operational qualifications, OQ, and, where appropriate, performance qualification, PQ, for facility equipment. These may include electrical, heating and cooling systems, HVAC, compressed air, backup generators, chemical storage, and other elements supporting product realization. When manufacturing products that require service, we must prepare to support the service function. This may include developing service agreements, creating product service manuals, and establishing requirements for service records. Let's summarize our discussion today. To document a new product introduction, one should consider reflecting on the design stages and post-design areas, such as production and process control documentation, packaging and shipping, personnel training, supply chain, system and production software, infrastructure, and others. This is all for today, folks. In this and the 4 previous videos, we have completed a review of a new product introduction checklist. If you missed any prior clips, check our channel to catch up, the link is below. As mentioned in the first NPI video, this checklist is just an example. Your checklist may differ based on your products, services, production environment, and other aspects of your company. As always, check our free downloads, including the new product introduction checklist. Visit our website's Academy page to see how our sample documents can improve your management system. If you want to learn more about and share your experience with lean management systems, join our new group on LinkedIn. The link is below. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project.